What's up guys? Today we're going to be welding these bungs onto our individual links for our 4-link suspension. We're also going to be welding on our rear airbag mounts that go onto the frame. So let's get into it. As you can see, it's already been formed for the most part. It's been welded on. So basically we took 1/4-inch plate and we put on some 2-inch tubing, and it goes into the frame like so. I put a notch into the frame in order to do that. So yeah, first things first, we got to get it ground down. All right, so here's to give you a comparison difference between one that has just been cut, one that's been ground down and welded, and here's one where a bung has not been welded in yet, it's just been placed in there. And so this is what the bung looks like. We have to run a few different welds, a few different beads across sort of this line right here, and it just slides into the tubing like that. And we're doing this because we have to have a threaded tube insert in order to insert our rod ends to link it up to our axle and our frame. So All right, so here are all the 4 links that we've welded so far. We've done our first pass. We've let them cool off, so now it's time for our second pass. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we made our second pass, but before we can make our third, we have to address a couple issues. As you can see, there is porosity right about here, here, and here. And we need to grind that out and re-weld it right there, and then we can move on to our third pass. So let's get into it. Time to grind them down because we made our third pass and let it cool off. So let's get into it. I ground it off screen. So I'm back here with the results. Here's the right hand side and here's the left hand side. All right, in review of today, we finished welding up our bungs onto our 4 links, our individual links that is, and then we finished welding up the rear airbag mounts that go onto the frame. So yeah, that's what we've gotten done today. I'm super happy with how it turned out. So yeah. I really appreciate for you guys watching. This means the world to me. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.